Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, open Windows PowerShell. Simply right click on the search results and select Run as Administrator. Select as. Now on this window we need to execute this command. So type this command carefully and hit enter to execute. Type get -appx package space Microsoft dot sec health UI dash all users reset dash appx package. Then hit enter to execute this command. After that, type exit to close this window. Then go to search bar and simply type settings. Now click here to open it. On this window, go to apps, then click on install apps. Now search for Windows security. From here, click on these three dots and select advanced options. Now just scroll down from reset section, click on repair. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And once done, click on reset. After that, we need to close this window and move to the next method. Simply right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Then click on run new task. Now select browse button. Go to this PC and open C drive. Now open Windows folder. Then open System32 folder. So double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd.exe file. Select it and click on open. Now simply check this box and after that click on OK. Now close this window. Again we need to execute some commands here. Type all these commands carefully. Firstly, type dism space /online /cleanup -image space /scan health and hit enter to execute this command. This command will take a lot of time to complete the process, so wait for it. After that, type in sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will also take a lot of time to complete the process. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.